Today I'm going to talk about this new AI tool for generating 3D models and doing remeshing, texturing, and doing stylized art style, and even rigging and animating, which is crazy, especially for game development, or some people even use it for content creation and 3D animations. But I mainly use it for game development since I don't like modeling and I don't like learning it. So I simply use this for fast prototyping and fast asset creations. So I'm trying to generate a 3D model here. You can do a prompt text to 3D, or you can use an existing reference image. So in this case, I typed knife stylized art PBR low poly, and then I clicked on generate, which basically consumes about 10 AI coins. So I think you get 100 monthly for free, but if you need more, you will need to subscribe for premium, and the link is going to be in the description. So let's click and look at the generated model. It usually generates 4 models, and then you can pick one from the 4, which one you like. So I'm going to pick this one here on the right at the bottom. And then I'm going to keep the poly count fixed at 10K and the topology as quad. And then I want to generate textures for it. I'm going to confirm and then wait for the AI to generate textures for the model. And it just finished the texturing process for our stylized knife low poly. So I'm going to click on it to view the model. And the results are looking crazy. You can also click retopology or remesh to optimize topology and clean existing meshes topology. You can also download this. So I'm going to download as a blend file. This is actually crazy, especially in game development. If you know about game development, especially when you're doing it solo or indie or small teams, art can be a pain, and it's really hard, especially if you don't have big budgets. So you will need tools like this to generate fast game assets or fast art or prototypes. So I found this really useful. So I'm gonna check the file I just downloaded. And here is the generated knife, which we can adjust in Blender to rotate and fix the pivot points, stuff like that. You can also click on viewport shading here to see it with textures. That's actually amazing. I think this AI is going to keep evolving and generate even better results with time. You can also use the remesh features to adjust the poly counts or fix or clean topologies. I can also import models and use the texture feature, give it a prompt, and then it will texture my model. And also for the stylize here, you can use sculpture art style or physically based rendering art style. And you can also even animate characters. If you generate characters and rig them, it will automatically rig the characters. You can even apply animation from this existing library of animations. Although I like to use it with Mixamo and other handmade animations from marketplaces and such spots. I think this is only going to keep getting better with time, but some of the features here might be locked, such as cleaning the topology, so you might need to pay for a premium to use the full features. I think it costs about $20 a month. You can go up to 120 for bigger teams, I think. But the good thing about this as well is you can select the license here, or you can keep your generated models private, which will prevent anyone else from using your models. But for the free testing, the models are available for the public under the CC 4.0 license. You can even go to the community here and see what other people have generated, and you can use them as well under the same license. You can even search for models. And I think if you share your generated models, you get points as well, which you can use to generate more, but you will need to share your models with the community. And I think AI in the game development industry is simply going to lower the barriers for entry, for the content, for the game content creation, the assets, the audio, the programming, and every aspect of it, which will basically flood the market, I think. But this potentially might be a good thing for small developers. And yeah, I think this tool is great, and I don't know how it's going to evolve and affect the industry. But the quality you see here for the assets is amazing. I don't think you can differentiate some models whether they were made with AI or handmade. It's how crazy this thing goes. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.